Hi, my name is Frank Barrett Mills and I'm the Director of Culinary Affairs and Training and the Executive Chef for APW, Baker's Pride, and Star Holdings. And today we're going to be discussing the Star Ultra-Max Griddle. This unit has a full 1-inch plate with an embedded snap reaction thermostat, all stainless steel exterior, heavy-duty steel knobs. This unit has a wonderful 3.5-inch catch at the top for grease, a full barrier all the way around the grill plate. Every 12 inches you have thermostatic control to operate this unit at peak performance for correct temperatures for any product. The Ultra-Max unit is a 13.5 kW unit in the 36-inch, and it takes either 208 single or 3 or 240 single or 3. High power, high temperature, wonderful to operate, and consistent temperature, side to side, front to back. There is nothing better at its price point than the Star Max unit. It's available in gas or electric, either one, and from 24, 36, 48, 60, or the big boy at 72-inch, these units will prepare food in any volume you need. Give them a try, you'll love them. I do. Thank you. For more information, please contact Star at Star Manufacturing 1-800-264-7827 or orders at star-mfg.com. Thank you.